right now we are at Golf Estate, okay? Directly, if you're looking at my hand, you see Golf Estate over there. I'm going to show you so that you see it very well. And this plot of land, they're already fenced. If you see, look around the buildings. There are buildings already. People are living. There are companies here. If you don't know Golf Estate, you know the River State, you know the Port Harcourt. So all you need to do, just go to your Google and type Golf Estate in Port Harcourt. Is the millionaires of Port Harcourt that are living around Golf Estate. So if you need a plot around Golf Estate, just in front or beside Golf Estate, then you need to get this plot. Okay, a plot is 30 million naira. You get the one who I feel give you for 25 million, but the price na 30 million. But if your money not reach 30 million, I go get other plots where your money go reach. You don't understand me? So you know say me na mama good news, aka Madam Dollars Pekle Africa Mama General. So the only good news I dey always come give you now, so that you go the buga they go, the buga they go. You know not say they sweet my body. You know why? Because you see this land where you won't buy. Now your land, no be my own. If the money enter 100 million tomorrow, now your money, you don't go even remember say, now Madam good news, Pekle Africa, I tell you about this land. Now you go enjoy the money. If you don't enjoy it, your family, your wife or children go enjoy the money. Now you make I say, make I give you this good news, so that you go sharply call me and buy this land. My number dey here 09034296519. The number again na 09034296519. You go see the number for the screen of the video, so that you go sharply call me. Make you come see the land by yourself. Choose the one where you will carry.